In this video, I will be showing you how to make a water bottle label in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva templates page and type water bottle label into the search bar to see what's available. I'll scroll through the various results until I find a design that fits my style. This clean, minimalist template looks perfect, so I'll click on it and select Customize this template to open the editor. Once the design loads, I'll begin by clicking on the main brand name and changing it to Fresh Aqua. To better match the water theme, I'll click the background and change the color to a bright, vibrant teal. Now, I'll click on the text again to open the spacing menu, where I can adjust the line height and letter spacing to give the words a bit more room. I'll then reposition the text group to ensure it's perfectly centered on the label. To make the branding stand out against the new background, I'll select the text and change the color to black. I'll also update the smaller details at the bottom by changing the origin text to Denver's Best. While I'm at it, I'll select the horizontal divider line and change its color to black to maintain a consistent look. Next, I'll go to the Elements tab on the left and search for water. I'm looking for a realistic texture, so I'll select these water droplets and add them to my canvas. I'll stretch the graphic to cover the entire colored area of the label. Finally, I'll click on Position and use the Layers panel to move the droplets behind my text. Then I'll lower the transparency to create a subtle, refreshing effect. And that's it, a clean and professional water bottle label ready for print.